Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to allow multiple S Pens to be connected to your Samsung S25 Ultra. So it's a disappointing thing from Samsung where they've actually made this S Pen from S25 Ultra not Bluetooth compatible. As you know, the S24 Ultra has a S Pen which has Bluetooth compatibility. So if you guys have the old S Pen which has the Bluetooth compatibility, you can actually connect your S24 Ultra Bluetooth pen with your S25 Ultra phone. So let me show you how to turn on the feature where it allows you to connect multiple S Pen with your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see advanced features, tap on that. Now from here, find S Pen, and now scroll down until you see more S Pen settings. From here, find allow multiple S Pens. So you can use another S Pen while your default S Pen is inside your phone. However, this uses more battery. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you can go ahead and place this S Pen into your phone and then go ahead and grab another S Pen, maybe from your old S24 Ultra, and you can basically use it on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to allow multiple S Pens to be connected to your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.